What are the highlights of your technical analysis workshop?
See, the core highlight behind this program, the Technical Workshop, is understanding the real wisdom without for behind the applications of Technical Access, and that is a core highlight. But other highlights include like understanding of the core power principles, which form the foundations of application of T, and then understanding the power concepts behind each one of these core principles, which so that the participants they understand correctly how to apply these principles. Also, then exactly giving them the principles and the guidelines and rules to identify opportunities in market as well as plan the exits, because we find that a lot of people don't understand the exit portion that clearly, so that's we consider it very important. At the same time ensuring the optimal trade management and the risk management. And the next highlight is how to screen and analyze any chart in minutes, which we actually show it by the end of the program. When we do it, apply it across, we ask participants for number of stock, any stock of their choice, and we do it within minutes. And the final highlight is understanding the right practices and habits which needs to be followed to become a successful professional trader, which are to be followed by that. These are the main highlights of the workshop.
Do you teach the forecasting of stock prices also?
Okay, so what I would say in Technical Access as science, what it does is it helps to take decisions in markets, and for that it has techniques of different types, which have elements of forecasting also, as well as anticipating the price direction. In our workshop, we primarily focus on teaching that section of Technical Access systems which takes decision based on anticipating price direction rather than forecasting price directly. So anticipation, the way the idea is that even if your anticipation goes wrong, since you are aware, you are being taught on how to react to different market directions. Even if your direction understanding goes wrong, you can correct your path and become right again. So we find to become a successful, it is instead of forecasting, it's necessary to learn the anticipation of the stock price.
What is the role of trends in forecasting?
So basically, role of trends in technical analysis is absolutely the most vital, because technical analysis itself is all about understanding trends. The Dow theory, which is like the founding father of technical analysis, you can say Charles Dow, is and the theory laid out the principles of understanding of trends, and that remains, those principles remain valid century later also. So for trends, there is a saying we say in technical analysis, which is trend friend, and I have modified it a bit, and I say trend is your friend till it end. So it's not a permanent loyal friend. It's a friend. You need to. It's a trend is a friend. You need to be loyal till it ends, and then you need to move to the next trend. So trend basically shows the force with which the market moves. That's why principle of motion of real life, which is Newton's law, actually applies to market also to understand the same force. And when we teach principles, we actually use the same Newton's principles to understand trend. And obviously understanding this principle, because it is basically showing the force with which market movement, is very crucial, and probably the most crucial element in understanding of techniques.
What is the role or utility of candlestick charting?
See, candlestick charting is basically a graphical method of understanding the price action by summarizing it. And candle charting is probably the oldest known technical analysis technique, which has been used for over a period of 300 years across civilizations, used by Japanese, and later in the last century also being used by Americans. So today it is probably the oldest, most standard practiced tool for application of TA. So basically, application of candle charting enables us to see the psychological patterns in the market behavior or sentiment analysis. So its utility is ability to bring out the most important turning points, which through the understanding of the patterns which are formed at that time. That's where the utility lies.
Which major techniques and tools you use to interpret price range of stocks?
The three core techniques of technical analysis all are all are equally vital to understand this. The first is trend, then the reversal point identification through price patterns, and the third, the reversal levels identification through support resistance. Putting all these three together, you get the entire crux of technical analysis, which are used to interpret price range.
What is the feedback of your trainees in your earlier workshops?
If you go, if anybody Googles out there, Anurag Sabu Traders Cockpit reviews, you will get over 1,500 reviews, which are given by the trainees of my earlier workshops. The average rating is 4.5 on a scale of 5. And here are some feedbacks which I have received in the past. They have said that my approach to the stock market is very different and very unique from what they've seen from others. The takeaways they have received in our workshops, they are very precious. And it really helped them to shape up their approach to invest or trade in stocks. Most of them actually were very amazed to hear and understand for the first time what it really takes to succeed in equity investing or trading. And most felt after attending the workshop, they were now really equipped with the proper approach and the right knowledge to succeed in stock markets. Most were under impression that before they came to the workshop, that TA is probably more like a hit or miss thing. And most were finding it, difficulty to absorb the TA concepts on their own from reading from the Google or different places. And they had been trying to find someone good enough to teach. So when they attended my workshop on technical analysis, they have said that they felt so lucky to have come across it, and how for the first time someone has so beautifully explained as how it is a real science of decision making in markets. A lot of them were doing actually trading earlier through tips and were trying to find the right way. And some of them had done a lot of courses trying to find looking for clues without actually getting any benefit. And they've attended a workshop, they clearly gave the feedback that it has been an eye-opener for them. In fact, few have returned back saying that they have gained profits beyond imagination within a week's time itself. In fact, I remember one person actually sent me a gift, an electronic device after a few days because of attending workshop, because he made a large amount of money from what he learned in the workshop. So basically, to summarize, they all very much appreciated the deep understanding of the topic, which was showcased in the workshop. And they were very thankful, they expressed a lot of gratitude and thankful for imparting the same in a very easy to understand way, in such a way that even a beginner or even a novice who is new to the markets was able to understand. So that was the feedback.
Don't you think trading is a misnomer and treated at par with speculation and gambling?
Yeah, it is. That's how people actually think who are not part of the scientific research of technical analysis. If you go to the world out there, most of the world probably thinks what you just said. They actually feel trading is a gambling. I in fact remember it actually happened in my early days when I started teaching it in the first year, second year when I was teaching workshop. A gentleman, when I was doing physical workshops more, because then there was, we could actually conduct, thanks to pre-COVID times, you can say. A gentleman walked, and along with an older gentleman walked inside. And I figured out that then I was not aware of the other gentleman because he had not registered. So he told me, I'm the father of the person who's attending. Then I said, your son is a 35-year-old software engineer. Why are you accompanying him along with it? He's saying, for the first time in my family, somebody is going out to study stock market. And for me, stock market is gambling. So, I am so much perturbed. So even 65-year-old father had accompanied 35-year-old son to see what he's doing on a holiday, trying to learn this stock market, which is gambling. So then actually had to sit down and explain to him that everything in life, forget market, everything in life is gambling unless you plan it. You cross a road, you don't plan, it's gambling. You take up a career, you don't plan for it, it's a gambling. So I tell him virtually everything. You go to gym, you don't plan for it, it's a gamble. You may get more injury if you don't plan. You play a sport, you don't plan for it, it's a gambling. So I told him everything in life is gambling unless it is planned. So that's my saying. And markets are not different. So I told him markets are not gambling if you are planning and doing it. So if you are doing it systematically, disciplined way, in a planning way, market is not a gambling. Otherwise, forget market. Everything in life is gambling. So when I explained this concept to the gentleman, then he was like amazed. He said, first time in my life I've heard, and I've seen your background. Now I'm very much convinced my son is in good hands. And then he walked out.